Hey traders, Sats just made a strong move, up 50% in the last 24 hours with trading volume picking up fast. Now the big question, is this the start of a bullish momentum or just a trap? When volume races along with price, it usually signals strong interest. That can push the trend further, especially if new buyers keep coming in. But here's the catch. Sharp moves like this often attract short-term traders. If they start taking profits, we could see a quick pullback. So instead of chasing the pump, watch how price reacts at key levels. If it holds and builds support, momentum could continue. If not, it might just be a temporary spike. Stay patient, stay smart, and let the market confirm the move. I've just shared some premium trading signals on my Patreon, including key support zones and realistic target levels you don't want to miss. If you're new, there's also a starter plan for just $10, a simple way to test things out. And if you've got a chart you want analyzed, just DM me anytime. Happy to take a look. Check the link below for full details, and let's grow together. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.